Alright, 82 to 92 Camaro, top door rails. There you go. These are brand new. Still in the package. Not even open. Seals are brand new. Everything's brand new. No dry rot. Nothing distorted. Just as if you were to buy it from the company itself. OER, NDP, whatever Camaro place you wanted to go with. I would open them and take them out of the package, but I'm sure whoever would buy them would rather have them still sealed in the package. Undamaged, untouched, just as if they were buying them brand new. I will be posting these on Craigslist and mainly thirdgen.org. Are these actually a sealed package? Yeah, they are. Yeah, these are actually sealed packages. I prefer not to open them just for whoever the buyer is. So these are the top door rails for 82 to 92 Camaro.